Hello students, today I will explain whisper theory, class 11th chemistry. Okay, whisper theory means valence shell electron pair repulsion theory is this. According to this theory, we can calculate the geometry and the shape of the molecule. Now, this is the target of the theory, that why we are going to study this theory. According to valence shell electron repulsion theory, we can calculate or measure the geometry and shape of a molecule. Clear? Now we will discuss about the main postulates of this theory. The main postulates of this theory are as first point is the shape of a molecule depend upon the number of valence shell electron pair bonded or non-bonded around the central atom. Suppose I am saying about the BCl3. The molecule BCl3 structure is depend on the center atom. Center atom is B. तो ये डिपेंड करती है इसकी ज्योमेट्री सेंटर एटम के ऊपर. नेक्स्ट इज सेंटर एटम के साथ साथ उसमें प्रेजेंट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के ऊपर भी डिपेंड करती है. अब दो तरह के इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट होते हैं किसी भी एटम के ऊपर. एक शेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, these are in the shared pair, these are the shared electron जिसे हम bonding electrons भी कहते हैं. And in the case of nitrogen, it contain a lone pair of electron. It is the lone pair of electron and it is also known as non-bonding electron. Clear? Means the geometry of the molecule depends on the center atom and the number of electron bonded and non-bonded present at the center atom. Right? All the bonding and non-bonding electrons like in Be, BCl and Cl, all the bonding and non-bonding electron repel to each other due to the presence of negative charge. Means if A and B are combined together with a single bond, they have two electron in this bond. Means यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ bond में electrons present हैं. It is clear? And electron have the same charge, negative charge. To minimize this repulsive charge, it attain the maximum distance. Like in H2, in NH3 is shown as 1, 2 and 3. It may be the structure, but structure ये नहीं होती है. Due to the presence of lone pair of electron at nitrogen atom, as lone pair has the repulsion with the bond pair, it forms the structure like this, and the bond angle between it is 107 degree. It is the bond angle between the two hydrogens, and nitrogen hydrogen bond angle due to the repulsive forces of lone pair with bond pair. Right? Means next, if a molecule center atom has no lone pair, like CH4, it has no lone pair, like BCl3, it has no lone pair. These type of molecules show a regular geometry and fixed geometry. But in the case of lone pair of electron at the center atom, like in H2O, in case of H2O, two lone pair are present at the oxygen atom, and these lone pair behave like a bond pair, and the structure will be bent like this, and the bond angle will be 104.5 degree. It is the bond angle. In H2O case, the structure will be bent to minimize this repulsive forces. Means if an atom in the center atom, there is no lone pair, regular geometry will be found. If the presence of lone pair is occurred at the center atom in a molecule, the repulsive forces will be occur in this condition, and these repulsive forces are to minimize these repulsive forces they attain the maximum distance like this, and the bond angle जो हमें नज़र आ रहा है कि bond angle H2O का 180 होना चाहिए था, 180 होना चाहिए था like this. अब वो 180 ना होकर के क्या हो जाता है, यहाँ पर 104 हो जाता है. It is clear? In this condition a lone pair behave a bond pair. Clear? This theory was failed to explain various things. ये थ्योरी सिर्फ कुछ ही चीज़ों को बता पाई. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट कुड नॉट एक्सप्लेन द पैरामैग्नेटिक नेचर ऑफ द एलिमेंट और ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल. सो देयर आर द अनदर थ्योरी विच वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस आफ्टर दिस थ्योरी फॉर द to remove the confusion and drawbacks of this theory. Okay student, in next video we will study the valence bond theory and molecular orbital theory also. Have a nice day student.